Week 7, February 15th. Politics are usually the executive expression of human immaturity. That's Vera Brittain, 1893 to 1970, English writer, in Rebel Passion, 1964. By way of meditation, how much political frustration on anyone's part is really disappointment in human nature? Commentary. Brittain's line stings because it's accurate. Politics does mirror our emotional age. Petulant when challenged, evasive when wrong, triumphant when praised. The maturity of a nation is measured not by its laws, but how calmly it disagrees.